welcome back to the channel 38 gang. It's your boy Slushy Student 38. Yes sir, if y'all seen by the title and thumbnail, I got that ghost plate. It's a ghost license plate. I'll leave the link and all that stuff in the description so y'all can see where I got it from. I paid $35 for it. And yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I install it. I'm gonna take a lot of downtime out. And I also don't got my mic, so if y'all can't hear my audio, I'm gonna try to adjust it a little bit. But bear with the footage and all the audio quality, guys. And it is about to rain, like drizzle, I guess. I don't really know. But yeah, stay tuned for the whole video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all new to the channel. I'm gonna give y'all my intro real quick, maybe a cold start, and then I'm gonna get straight to showing y'all the product and showing y'all me installing this bad baby. But yeah, let's go.
Just clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah.
This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these haters I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Have my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like
Go.
utility work.
All right, this one, it came with two, front and back. The controller, the key fob, so you can control it with a key fob, like a remote controller for your keychain. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. I took off my old license plate cover. It's a carbon fiber one, so I'll give it away if anybody want to get it. Just leave some comments. First 5 people I choose between them who said something about the carbon fiber plate. I don't really know. It's no use for it no more because I got a better license plate. Another thing was, so you see it's clean right here. So, and then another thing was you gotta take off the inside of the cover right here in the back of the car. So I gotta drill a hole and run the controller and stuff through it. It's powered by a cigarette lighter, so that's one thing I want to say. So the tools I do have, I have a Phillips flathead, and I got a power drill. It's a Hyper Tough. I got this from Walmart. I think it was $40. So yeah, I charged it overnight. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. I think this. I don't want to go with too big of a size, but I'm gonna definitely gonna use a bigger one. So if y'all afraid to drill a hole in your car, I mean that sounds like a personal problem. So you wanna make sure these line up. Just like that. I don't know, I don't think the hole has to be super big, but I did drill a hole up. Did get a hole on there. I'm gonna use a bigger size. This is a 9x32, so I'm just gonna go up one size. 11x32 probably is the size I'm gonna go by instead of a 9x32. Just a little bit bigger. It don't matter, they already drill holes in your car when they put a license plate on there anyway, so. I have not seen, I seen some, maybe 1 or 2 people on social media with this after the fact. So I'm just gonna put mine right in the middle. Like I said before, y'all afraid to drill a hole in your car when they already do it at the dealership, then that sounds like a personal problem. I'm unhooking everything, the controller, I'm just unhooking it all. Like I said before, it's powered by a cigarette port, like a inside the car. I have floor mats that's using up a cigarette port, cigarette lighter jack, whatever you want to call it. And then I have some LED strips. I'll probably rearrange all of that, so because I only got 2 in my car. So my main thing is just trying to get these wires to connect, like to run through this. Once I get the wires running through the thing, running through the hole, we smooth. I'm gonna run it and hide it somehow. I might hide it behind a liner, but I don't have a lot of time because it's about to rain today. I might have to do it a different day, like just rerun the wire so it's hiding under a liner. But right now, I'm just gonna tape this on to the stick that I just had, whatever I did with it, and see can I get it to fish it through. So we're just gonna do like that. Just tape that boy. Hopefully the hole big enough. If not, I have to just make a bigger hole there, and that should be cool. 38 gain is the hole I drilled inside. You can actually see right through to the outside of the car. If y'all want to see me stick the thing in there right now, we about to do that real quick and see if I can fish it in. Okay, so I'm fishing it through this hole, just like that. That's my main freaking problem, is making sure the tape don't come off trying to get it through the hole. So you only get like one good chance, one try. There it is, it's coming through. Don't tell me why I use the stick, guys. I do not know, I just thought of it on the go. But it's right here, if y'all can see. I'm not trying to put a lot of downtime in there. There, that's all you have to do. So like, I can fish it, like I can put it in here, but I don't really have a lot of time because it might rain, like I said before. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna put it under here a little bit and fish it up through here so it's not in the way of any trunk things I put in my trunk. And that's basically it, guys. That's all you have to do. It's a lot of extra wire, as you can see, so you don't have to really worry about, is it gonna make it, or like what's the, but that's just that part. So let's just get this, I just wanted to get this part done. You wanna take these screws out because you have to hook it all up. I'm gonna put the plate on. I know it works because I tested it before I even got to drilling holes. I went inside the car and tested it out, plugged up to the cigarette lighter and hit the buttons. I'll explain more about how it functions once I get to that part. And then you have to open it up like that, and then you have a connector right here. This one already closed. I don't want to mess it. It got like a little symbol, like belt and stuff. If y'all wonder how it works. That's mainly it. Okay, so it comes with some screws so you can actually screw it inside the plate, like on top on the car. So I only got 2 holes, so I mean, if I have to drill extra holes to actually get this to go in there right, then that's what we have to do. Look how much extra wire they give you too. So that's another thing I thought was like, this would be the bottom of it. So these go to the top right there. They give you a little hole to stick the wire through. So when you close it, it goes right through and you just fish it. There we go. I'm about to use my drill in a minute. At least I know they won't come out when you freaking. Should have probably cut that hooked up. Like that. A lot of extra wire, people. I mean, they wanted to make sure this thing worked, so. All I did was wire it. I fished the wire here. There's never a lot of people inside of my car anyway. I either can bring it around like this, give it some little slack in it. Here's the controller. I'm hooking it up in the port in here. If I don't like how it's arranged, I might rearrange it. That's all you do. You stick this in there. This one is the B. Hold on. I thought it said B. No, it's not B. You just hook it in between A and B. It has an A and B option. I'm gonna just hook it in the A option because, well, no, B is for back. Let's put it for B for back. So that's all you really do for that part. And then the controller, I'm just gonna sit it down here. I gotta be careful, like, just in case. I might 3M tape it inside on the side, because you gotta be careful with pressing the button. It might close on mistake when I really don't want it to. And oh yeah, this is the other controller to let you know that it's on. So I gotta hook this up too real quick. To let you know, beyond the controller box, it's a separate one. I'm just gonna leave this, like, I'm gonna have to put it all in here, but obviously I'm just gonna leave it somewhere where I can see it most of the time. Or I might even put it here, so if I open up my, arm rest, yeah, I'll be able to see that too without having to look at the controller box. I wanna put it somewhere where I actually can see it all the time though, so we'll do that in a second. All right, the ghost plate is installed. Now I'm just putting everything back together, like my headliner, like this liner. And I gotta put all that stuff like in my trunk. I got a bunch of stuff that was in my trunk. And that shit was not hard to do. I'm pretty excited just to have this and make some content with it. I'm gonna make some type of content with this. Yes, sir. That wasn't hard. It just was, you gotta be like a handyman in some type of way when you do this kind of stuff, or knowing some type of knowledge about what you're doing. So it's a gloomy day out here. I just wanted to bring y'all some content. That's mainly it. That's it for real. I just gotta show y'all how it works. All right, y'all. So here's the big reveal of the ghost plate. Like I said before, I'll leave where I got it from in the description. If y'all want to get y'all hands on this carbon fiber license plate, leave some comments. The first 5 people I'll choose between y'all. Just send it to you. Give it away, guys. I don't need it no more. This thing just look like a normal plate, but here it is, y'all. Let's get to it. Oh, oh! One more time. I got it on B, so because it's the controller, this would look like this one on your keychain. You can close it too, so if you don't mistakenly press the button. Oh! So a lot of people gonna be like, "That's illegal." You damn right, motherfucker. That shit illegal. It might be illegal. I don't give a fuck. But at the end of the day, if I'm doing donuts and burnouts and drifting, I'm gonna hit this button, so can't nobody see my shit. They can't be like, "Oh, that's his license plate, red 38 game, whatever." But I ain't gonna talk y'all to death. Stay tuned for the next mod. The next video, guys. I appreciate all the support. If y'all didn't see that last video where I dropped about that Dodge Challenger final 909 horsepower, go check that out. I'll leave that in the playlist or something. If y'all didn't see none of these modifications that I do, a lot of this stuff I do myself. And if I can't, if I don't want to like deal with wires or something like that, I'll take it to the shop. That's the only time, because I ain't got a jack or physical tools to actually do everything. So, but yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It's your boy Slushy Steven 38. Hey.